Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B1279 indicates a malfunction in the dimmer switch circuit of the Honda Accord models from 2008 to 2012. This error code signifies that there is an issue with the functionality of the dimmer switch, which is responsible for controlling the brightness of the vehicle's dashboard lights. The dimmer switch is typically located on the steering column or directly associated with the headlight switch. It serves the critical role of adjusting the lighting based on the preference of the driver, thereby enhancing visibility and comfort. A malfunction in this circuit can lead to erratic lighting behavior, affecting not just the dashboard lights, but potentially other associated lighting systems. It is important to address this issue promptly, as it can impact driving visibility and safety. DTC B1279 highlights a failure in the dimmer switch circuit, which affects the combination light switch functionality. The combination light switch controls various lighting functions, including headlights and dashboard illumination. It is primarily located in the driver's compartment, typically on the steering wheel or steering column assembly. The dimmer switch plays a vital role in adjusting the intensity of dashboard lights, providing proper visibility in varied driving conditions. Failure in this circuit can lead to poor visual cues in the cockpit, thereby compromising safe vehicle operation. Understanding the exact location and function of these components is essential for effective troubleshooting and resolution. Several factors may contribute to the occurrence of DTC B1279 in the Honda Accord. A faulty dimmer switch could be the primary reason, where internal components may have failed, interrupting the circuit. Another common cause is loose or poor connections within the electrical wiring, leading to the dimmer switch or related components. These loose connections can arise from vibrations during driving or wear and tear. Furthermore, issues with the driver's MICU, which stands for Multiplex Integrated Control Unit, can also result in this error code. The MICU manages various electronic functions in the vehicle, hence its malfunction could be linked to the dimmer switch behavior. Understanding these possible causes is crucial for effective troubleshooting. Symptoms associated with DTC B1279 often manifest as inconsistent dashboard lighting, meaning some or all dashboard lights may not function properly. Drivers may notice that the high beam function fails to activate reliably when the dimmer switch is adjusted. Additionally, the illumination of the check engine light or a dedicated error code indicator on the dashboard is another common symptom. Failures in the circuit may lead to unexpected on-off cycling of the dashboard lights, creating confusion for the driver. Observing these symptoms promptly can assist in diagnosing the problem early and preventing further complications. Addressing the issues in a timely manner ensures a safe driving environment and compliance with vehicle lighting regulations. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B1279 involves using the HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes. This is essential as it resets the control module's stored fault entries, allowing the technician to determine if the fault is persistent or intermittent. After clearing the codes, you need to turn the ignition switch to the lock position and then back to on. This action helps reset the vehicle's electrical systems. This step corrects any temporary glitches in the ignition or electrical circuit that could interfere with accurate diagnostic readings. A successful reset prepares the system for further testing, ensuring that only active faults are evaluated in the subsequent steps. In the second troubleshooting step, you will turn the ignition switch to the on position, ensuring that the vehicle's electrical systems are properly activated. This is crucial for obtaining accurate diagnostic information, as it allows communication between the control unit and the diagnostic tools. After that, turn the combination light switch on, which engages the vehicle's lighting systems. Activating the headlight switch is necessary because the functionality of the dimmer switch is directly linked to the operation of these lights. This action allows the system to assess whether the headlight operation remains consistent under normal conditions and prepares the system for changes in switch positions that will be evaluated in the next steps. In this step, you will change the dimmer switch from low beam to high beam settings. This action is essential to test the entire range of the dimmer switch's functionality, confirming whether it correctly alters the intensity of the headlight beams. The high beam function should respond immediately, indicating that the switch is operational. Observe if the change affects the dashboard lights. They should adjust in brightness according to the selected mode. If the dimmer switch operates inconsistently, this could be a strong indicator of a fault within the switch itself, prompting further evaluation or replacement. This test helps to determine if the underlying problem is simply with the dimmer switch or part of a more complex issue within the vehicle's wiring system. Following the previous checks, you will turn the combination light switch off and then to the passing position. This operation simulates a real-world driving condition where the driver might need to indicate briefly without switching on full beams. It is important for assessing whether the dimmer switch can operate correctly across different positions of the combination switch. Wait at least 6 seconds after switching to pass position. This time allows the vehicle systems to stabilize and register the changes correctly. Observing the lights during this process ensures that they behave as expected without flickering or failure. This step is critical for diagnosing possible intermittent issues that may arise only under certain switch positions. After performing the previous operations, wait approximately 6 seconds before you check for DTCs again using the HDS. This pause is integral as it allows the Vehicle Electronic Control Unit, ECU, to process the new settings. By rescanning, you determine if DTC B1279 is still being recorded. If the code reappears, it signals that the issue persists, requiring further investigation into possible causes such as faulty switches or wiring. If no code is indicated upon the scan, it suggests that the issue may be intermittent, potentially related to loose connections or temporary failures in the electrical circuit. Identifying this status at this stage is crucial for directing the next steps in the repair process. In this step, navigate to the Body Electrical System Select menu and select Lighting to enter the data list. This process allows you to access crucial diagnostic data pertinent to the dimmer switch and combination light switch. The data list will provide values that reflect the status of the switches, confirming whether they are functioning correctly in real time. Accurate readings from the data list can illuminate potential faults not apparent through previous visual inspections. In this context, understanding the readings is vital. They serve as a direct link to how well the lighting system is responding to commands. This examination is key for ensuring that all diagnostic avenues are explored before deciding on a replacement or repair strategy. Now you will check the position values for each combination light switch via the Data List menu. This check includes verifying the headlight switch, where it should show on when activated and off when not using the passing function. For example, when the passing switch is operated, the data list should read accordingly, thus confirming the operational integrity of the switch system. If the readings correspond to the expected values while cycling through different switch positions, it indicates that the circuit is functioning as intended. Conversely, any discrepancies in the data list readings can highlight specific areas of failure, either within the switch itself or the associated wiring and control logic. If all data list values appear correct, the issue may lie within the driver's MICU, or the Multiplex Integrated Control Unit. This control unit is crucial in managing global lighting and switch commands throughout the vehicle. If a malfunction is detected, it will necessitate the replacement of the driver's under-dash fuse/relay box. This emphasis on proper functioning highlights the critical nature of the MICU for overall vehicle performance. Any failure here can lead to cascading effects on multiple systems, resulting in frustration for the driver. Proper diagnosis and timely replacement of the MICU can restore normal functionality and protect against future issues associated with lighting adaptations. After completing all necessary repairs, it is crucial to verify that the vehicle's lighting systems are functioning accurately before concluding the job. Run a final test on the dimmer switch and combination light switch to ensure they respond properly across all settings. Once you confirm that the dashboard lighting and headlight functions operate as intended, you should again check for DTCs using the HDS. This final scan will help ensure no error codes remain and that your repairs have effectively resolved the original issue. A successful verification process is essential for building trust with customers and ensuring their safety on the road. A thorough check demonstrates a commitment to high-quality service and repair standards. For the long-term reliability of the dimmer switch circuit and the vehicle's electrical systems, it is vital to conduct regular preventive maintenance. Routine checks of the wiring connections leading to the dimmer switch and MICU can help spot any issues before they develop into significant problems. Inspecting the operation of the dimmer switch will ensure it functions smoothly across all positions, maintaining dashboard visibility and compliance with safety standards. Regular maintenance is not only a proactive step, but also serves to educate vehicle owners about their systems and components. A well-informed owner is more likely to recognize symptoms of potential failures early on, thereby minimizing downtime and repair costs. Instilling good maintenance practices fosters a safer driving environment for all. In conclusion, DTC B1279 emphasizes the importance of the dimmer switch circuit in a Honda Accord, as it directly affects driver visibility and comfort. Addressing this malfunction quickly can prevent complicated electrical issues and enhance overall driving safety. From the initial diagnostic steps to the necessary repairs, following a structured troubleshooting process is critical for uncovering the root cause of the problem. Furthermore, adopting preventive maintenance measures can extend the life of the vehicle's electrical systems and enhance reliability. Keeping the driver well-informed ensures that issues can be tackled efficiently, forging a path for proactive driving experiences. Ultimately, maintaining these systems reflects both the vehicle's performance and the owner's commitment to road safety. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.